Samsung is already making headlines with early leaks surrounding the upcoming Galaxy S27 series, and it looks like the company is planning a fresh strategy for its next generation of flagship smartphones. Instead of simply increasing specifications on paper, Samsung appears to be focusing on meaningful upgrades that could improve the overall user experience. From a possible switch to a Sony camera sensor to the arrival of a brand new Pro model, the Galaxy S27 lineup is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most interesting releases in recent years. The biggest rumors revolves around the main camera. According to recent reports, the standard Galaxy S27 and the Galaxy S27 Plus could feature a completely new 50-megapixel Sony camera sensor instead of Samsung's own ISO sensor. If this information is accurate, it would mark a significant change for Samsung's flagship phones. Sony sensors have built a strong reputation for delivering outstanding image quality, especially in challenging lighting conditions. They are also known for producing more natural colors, wider dynamic range, and improved detail, which could result in sharper and more realistic photos. For users who love mobile photography, this could become one of the most noticeable upgrades in years. While the main camera may receive a major improvement, not every camera on the device is expected to change. Current leaks suggest Samsung will continue using the familiar 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera across the lineup. Although some users were hoping for a higher resolution ultra-wide sensor, Samsung may believe the existing hardware already performs well enough. The current camera still delivers solid results for landscape photography, travel shots, architecture, and large group photos, so the company may prefer refining software processing rather than introducing brand new hardware. The front camera is another area where Samsung may create a clearer distinction between its flagship models. According to the latest reports, the Galaxy S27 Pro and Galaxy S27 Ultra could receive an upgraded 16-megapixel selfie camera. This improvement is expected to provide sharper selfies, clearer video calls, and better portrait photography with more facial detail. Meanwhile, the standard Galaxy S27 and Galaxy S27 Plus are rumored to keep the existing 12-megapixel front camera. This approach would allow Samsung to reserve premium features for its higher-end devices while keeping the base models at a more competitive price. Perhaps the most surprising rumor involves Samsung's lineup itself. Instead of continuing with the traditional Plus model, reports suggest Samsung could introduce an all-new Galaxy S27 Pro. This move would give buyers another premium option without requiring them to purchase the larger Ultra model. Many smartphone users prefer compact devices but still want flagship-level performance, advanced cameras, and premium materials. If Samsung successfully combines these features into the new Pro model, it could quickly become one of the most popular phones in the entire Galaxy S27 family. Galaxy S27 Ultra is also expected to receive exclusive upgrades. Leaks indicate that Samsung is working on a redesigned rear camera system for its top-tier flagship. Although the exact appearance remains unknown, the company could introduce a fresh camera layout or make significant improvements to the camera module itself. Samsung has traditionally reserved its biggest hardware innovations for the Ultra series, and the S27 Ultra is expected to continue that trend with a design that helps separate it from the rest of the lineup. Despite these exciting leaks, one important question remains unanswered. Very little information has surfaced about the telephoto camera. Samsung has earned a strong reputation for industry-leading zoom performance, making the telephoto lens one of the most anticipated features of every new Galaxy Ultra smartphone. Fans are eager to learn whether Samsung plans to introduce a new zoom sensor or continue using its existing camera hardware. Since zoom photography has become one of the biggest selling points for flagship devices, this could be one of the most important announcements when Samsung officially unveils the Galaxy S27 series. Overall, the latest rumors suggest Samsung is taking a balanced approach with the Galaxy S27 lineup. Instead of redesigning every component, the company appears to be focusing on upgrades that could make a real difference in daily use. A new Sony main camera sensor could greatly improve photography, the premium models may receive better selfie cameras, and the rumored Galaxy S27 Pro could fill the gap between the standard and Ultra models. At the same time, Samsung seems comfortable keeping hardware that already performs well, allowing it to focus on refining the overall experience. Of course, it's important to remember that these details are based on early leaks and rumors. Samsung has not officially confirmed any of these features, and plans could still change before the phones are announced. More leaks are expected over the coming months, giving a clearer picture of what Samsung has planned for its next flagship SIR. So what are your thoughts on these Galaxy S27 leaks? Does the rumored Sony camera sensor excite you, or were you hoping for even bigger upgrades? Share your opinion in the comments below. And if you enjoy staying up to date with the latest Samsung news, smartphone leaks, and tech updates, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next update.